I have the Redmi K30 Pro, also known as the Poco F2 Pro, as well as some other smartphone names that have been rebranded. And I recently showed you how to bypass safety net checks on this device using a Magisk module. But today I want to show you how to fix a common error that anyone using a MIUI device or MIUI firmware with Magisk Manager. So a common way to hide Magisk and Magisk Manager from certain apps that may detect it is by using the Hide Magisk Manager feature right here. This will take the current Magisk Manager, repackage it up, and use a random package name with app names or a name that you can choose yourself, such as Manager 232 or something. The thing is, if you try to do this on MIUI right off the bat with Magisk Manager, you're going to get that failed message right there. And that happens because Xiaomi has baked in you could call it a security feature that prevents you from installing an application over USB, which is really what this whole feature is trying to do. It's just in trying to remove your current install of Magisk Manager, repackage it, and reinstall it with a different package name and app name. So to fix this, we just need to go into the settings. If you haven't already done so, you'll then need to go into the device section page and unlock the developer mode, the hidden developer options menu. Once that is done, we can then go back to the main settings screen. Scroll down a little bit till you see the additional settings option. And here is where you'll find the hidden developer options menu. From here, you're just going to want to scroll down a little bit. And within the debugging section, most people just look for the USB debugging option and then look under it. You're going to see an option called Install via USB. And by default, this is disabled, again, for security reasons. However, we can easily enable it. We just toggle the feature on. And once that is done, we are then able to go back into Magisk Manager, go back into the settings if you need to, tap on that Hide Magisk Manager option, and now from here we can name it whatever we want, tap on OK. Instead of getting that failed message, we're going to get the install message right here. So we can just go ahead and tap on install, and there we go. We're going to see the Magisk Manager 2 that we just installed and named specifically. We open that up, and that will update the application as normal. So there you have it. That is how to hide Magisk Manager on Xiaomi's MIUI firmware by fixing that failed message.